Well guys, today is a big day because we have a big project starting over at the mobile home because we got our full mini split system for the house and we're going to be starting installation today. Let me start getting this loaded up into the house and hopefully we can get some indoor units hung today. That's going to be the goal. I'll show you this unit more when we get it in the house, but basically we bought one mini split system for the entire home. This unit handles 3 mini split heads. It can do up to 4, but we got 3. And I'll show you guys the placement. We got all the hoses, all the coils, bought it as a kit. Super simple. Let's see if we can DIY a full house mini split install. All right guys, we got the 3 units in. I got 2 9,000 BTU units, and this one I believe is an 18,000 BTU unit. Okay, we got a template. Oh, it's screwed on. All right, so here's the mounting bracket. We'll get this figured out where we want it up on the wall. We're actually gonna be hanging it right here on this wall, so let's take down that tapestry. Okay. So we have to move the puzzle table. You guys see we're onto a new 3,000 piece puzzle? Let me just show it really quick. It's probably fine, right? So where do you want it?
Just back here.
Oh, I can't wait till we get our mini splits hooked up so we can puzzle without sweating. So like I said, we have to get this mounted up. So I'm going to take some time to get it balanced on the wall, figure out how high, where I want it. I'll be back, but it's pretty simple. It's just screwing it to the wall, you guys know. So there it is, bracket mounted. And I now have to do the scary part, drilling a giant hole into our wall so that we can run the mini split lines down. I hope, we'll see. There it is. The first mess of the day. So before I go further, I have to show you guys the situation I'm dealing with because this is going to be an odd one that you guys might have to deal with someday when you install your own mini splits. I'm on an interior wall. I chose this for a couple reasons. One, you can see we have a cathedral ceiling. And so this is the highest point in the room, and if I put it anywhere else, it would have been super low on the wall. We have just really low ceilings. And if it was low on the wall, a little less ideal, but also because of the way our siding is on the outside, I know it's typical to just go straight out through the siding. But we just have thin aluminum siding. There's no sheathing, there's nothing. And if I send pipes out there, it's gonna be nearly impossible for me to get that watertight and to keep stuff out of the wall. So I hope that makes sense. You can cut a hole in the aluminum and send the pipes out, but then there's nothing to hook the pipes to, there's nothing to secure anything to, it's just floppy siding. The other thing is that this will blow more evenly across a bigger space. Also, this mini split is gonna not only cool this entire living room, but hopefully into the kitchen and dining room. So blowing this way is more ideal. There's a lot of things that you have to think about with the placement. With that said, this is the back of the living room wall. This is where the mini split lines have to come. So what I'm thinking about doing is drilling a hole through here and running them down inside the closet. That looks so low in here. That is ugly. Oh, I'm scared about what I'm doing here. But we're gonna keep going. Guys, it's inside a closet, right? I don't have to look at that. I know what you're saying. I should have went on an outside wall. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Straight this way.
that white one go through it too?
Yep.
Can we do it?
Yep.
I don't think that's on it right. It looks crooked.
No. I can't see what I'm doing, really.
Lift it up. Okay, I see the bottom of the bracket on this side.
I don't think it's on it. As long as it doesn't fall, let me just adjust it.
Sweat.
Okay guys, we got the first unit up. It's okay. And this is what it looks like inside the closet here. We have the condensation line and we have the refrigerant lines poking out. The next mini split was supposed to hang up here, and I knew I was kind of dreaming about this. I kind of figured it would be too small, but it is too small. If you can see, it would be hanging over the closet trim, and the line set would have to go right here, right through the trim. It's not going to work. You'd have to cut a hole through your header, so it's not going to work. So, can't put the mini split up there where I wanted it. So this video is going to be everywhere I can't put a mini split. I could put it on the small wall here, but again, like what I was saying is, I'm worried about popping it out the outside of the house because of our siding situation, and I'm just worried about keeping it sealed up. So my last option is this little space right here, right by the closet door. There is enough room. It's not ideal, but there's a closet behind here, the living room closet. So I could do the same thing, pop it into the closet straight down. No water can get in, and we'll have a spot for it. I think I'm gonna do that. We're just trying to make sure that we're not gonna hit any studs. It shouldn't, but we have a wall here going in the closet, and then, you know, just things happening. So let's see if we can do this right.
No stud.
Wow, I'm skimming this stud. Like I got it perfect. Guys, we just do things the weird way, you know? When I go through the other wall, I do move it down a little bit. Like I just nudge it down so I can see the top of the bit. I try to make it so that the pipes are always sloping for the drainage, the condensation. You guys ready for the damage? Ah! Oh, it scared me.
Wow.
I wasn't expecting him. That literally scared me. Stand.
That's embarrassing. I can't believe you squealed.
There it is, hole in the corner. I'm happy with it. I'm not going to complain. Let's get the unit mounted. You don't have to worry about it. Oh man.
Just push it in, it'll go. Won't it?
The foam is just getting all bunched up on it. Just trying to get it to pull through. I think I just got it. There we go. All right, guys, we saved the best for last. We're in the end bedroom. We already know that this is going to be too small. That's where I was hoping I could squeeze them. Here's where we're going to put it. We have a little nook over here and it's just going to be perfect for the unit. So let me get it unpacked. The same exact process. This one gets a little tricky though because we don't have a closet behind here. We have this on the back side of that nook. This is the dining area pantry cabinet, and this is what's right behind that spot that I want to put the mini split. So we can't just pop it through the wall. I have an idea that I have to build up my courage for. So while I'm doing that, let's get the bracket mounted and just start the process. And I'll show you what I'm thinking. So I have the cardboard tacked up where I want it to hang, level it up, and then I just put a screw in right where the hole for the line set goes. And that way when I take this off the wall, I have a hole for my mounting bracket, a hole for my line set, and then I know where everything will need to be. I think that looks good. We put that on there. There's a stud right here. I think we can get that one. That's done. Let's drill the hole for the line set through this wall at least. We know it's going into the wall. Whoa. So hear me out. This is what I'm thinking. Could be a hassle, but what if I remove these cabinets? They were a big pain to get in here, but what if we take them out? We can cut open the wall behind the cabinets so we can run the lines down, and then all the mess will be hidden. We don't have to disturb anything that's seen. We don't have to cut into the bedroom wall. Let's see how hard this will be. There'll probably be a lot of shouldas. You should have done this, that in this video. Maybe. You could be right. It's just what I'm doing. Sometimes we don't do what we should do, but we do what we do. I just do what makes sense to me. It's not always the easiest route, but there's a lot of factors that go through my mind when I make decisions. So I just do what seems right. Should I take the doors off this? Yeah, I should. Oh, there it is. Okay. Perfect. Here we are, guys. Right there looks good. Oh, and we're done with that one. So there it is. It's in a nook. It's not ideal, but I think it'll still do the job. We're working with a small home with some odd structure, so you just have to make it work. And again, I'll show you the backside so you can see what's going on. It's not too bad. We'll bend those right down, tie them in. I'll be drilling a hole through the bottom. Hopefully there's nothing in the way, going straight down through the bottom of the floor. We're making progress. We got our 3 units hung. And with that, I think we've done enough here today. It's hot. I'm gonna go home, get a shower and cool down. Next time we'll be refreshed and we can start doing the line sets. Okay, so this is what they look like. It's a big coil of insulated copper tubing. And this is where it gets tricky because we're going down through the floor and under the home. That's going to be a dirty job in itself. So I guess that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.